I know you got groupies, I see you got fans, but I'm not one of them, boy, I got my own bands.
I know you got groupies, I see you got fans, but I was wondering if you could fit me in your plans. When I'm with you, I feel like nothing can stop me. When I'm with you, I ain't worried about.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. I am Mia and I am one half of the Pitts twins, honey. Okay, so yeah, before we get into this video, make sure you guys follow all of our social medias. Make sure you guys follow my social media. Okay, and also follow UNice. Their social media and their information will be linked in the description box down below. So for this video, you guys, I'm going to just be showing you guys how to get this blonde hair without blonde hair, y'all, this burgundy hair without bleach. I'm really glad that it worked out because I know for some people that it did not work, and I was like scared because I'm just like, is it gonna work for me? Is it gonna work for me? So yeah, I was really excited. I was really happy that I didn't have to bleach this, because I know sometimes bleaching is like an extra step. Sometimes you have to bleach your hair twice, and it's just sometimes a step that I don't want to do. I'm like, oh my gosh, like, can we get this process on? Like, I don't feel like doing this, so let me just do it without the bleach. Okay, let me do it without the bleach time. So I tried it, and I'm excited how it came out. This hair is from UNice. If you guys didn't know, this is a Brazilian natural wave, and I have in an 18-inch closure, an 18-inch bundle, a 20-inch bundle, and I have in an 18-inch closure, a 20-inch bundle, and two 22-inch bundles. And you guys, they did send me an 18-inch closure, an 18-inch bundle, a 20-inch, and two 22s, but I did not use the 18-inch. Sometimes, you know, 3 bundles is all you need. You don't always need 4 bundles, but if you want that full glam look, then get you 4 to 5, 5 to 8, 8 to 10, 10 to 20, and I'm just playing. But yeah, get you a couple extra bundles if that's the kind of look that, you know, you want to go for, and a look that you want to achieve. But yes, you guys, so okay, I did you know, dye this hair without any bleach. So if you guys would like to see how I achieved that, and if you want to achieve it as well, then, you know, just keep on watching. Okay, so you guys, to start out, I'm using my L'Oreal High Colors dyes. I'm showing you that you need a bowl, you need some L'Oreal High Color dye, you need a mixer thingy brush, and I'm using Clairol's 40 volume developer in pure white.
Why did you let it go? Tell me, why did you leave?
I have my L'Oreal High Colors box dye in magenta. This is the no bleach dye, and I also have it in the color red. And I have 2 reds and 2 magentas, so 2 of each, 4 in total. And that's the box. The box is all broken down. I lost the other one. That's the only one I could find. It's ridiculous, y'all. And you also would need some scissors. So you guys, I'm just going to put the dye in the bowl, and that is the magenta. I'm going to pour all of it in there, and I'm going to do the same thing with the red. Now I'm going to take my 40 volume developer. This is from Clairol, and it is in pure white. And I think it's a maximum width or something like that. I don't remember. But yeah, I'm going to just pour it in the bowl and mix it with my mixing brush. And mix it up till I see it's perfect. You guys will spend a lot of time on this step. So I just sped it up and, you know, sped through it on, you know, the video. But you guys will spend, you know, a little bit of time on this step. And as I continue, I will continue to pour more developer in there, stir, more developer, stir, more developer, stir. You would definitely have to crush all of the little pieces from the dye, and it's so much. But make sure you just try to blend as best as you can. And something that I noticed from dyeing the hair and from the outcome, the more developer that you use, the outcome will be better, and the hair will just be like, yes, popping. So yeah, just keep that in mind. as you can see, the hair is black. I'm starting out with black hair. And you guys, I'm just gonna put it all on the hair. Just put the dye on here. I did start with the ends because I know the ends, they dye pretty faster. But soon on, I'm just like, let me just saturate the whole hair. The bundle. Just get it very, very saturated and get it on all of the hair. And just get it in there good, girl. Get it in there real good. And put the mixture onto all of the hair. Try to get every single strand. And yeah, just slap it on there, put it on there. Okay, so now I'm using onto the 20-inch bundle, and I want a grading effect, so that's why I'm doing that. But as I move on, you will see that I'm going to blend it out with that brush. But yeah, that's just where I kind of wanted to start a bit. And basically, you definitely saturate the hair too. Sorry that his bag is blowing up. This is the portion where I'm going to blend it out at the roots. Just brush it vertically in on the bundles, and that'll create a gradient effect. Just like that. Brush it in like that. Yeah, that's perfect. And you guys, when my mixture got low like this, I did add 30 volume developer into the bowl and made it, you know, more of it in there. I didn't say this in the beginning. I actually forgot to put the 30 volume developer in the beginning, but I did use that. So make sure you guys get 2 bottles of developer, preferably 2 40 volumes, but if you want to do it with 30 volume, you can as well. Or if you want to do it with 2 30 volumes, you can do that as well. So make sure you have 2 bottles of developer. Able to show you this from the last bundle, but I did flip the bundle over and saturated the hair again with the dye. I'm sorry that I wasn't able to show it to you, but I did this with all of the bundles and even my closure. Get it good, get it in there good, girl. You gotta flip it over and do everything. So I did flip it over on all of my bundles. I'm on to dyeing the closure and just saturate it like you would everything. And I'm also going to do the gradient effect on the closure as well. I don't know if you can see, maybe I'm going a little bit too fast. But yeah, I was. And I'm also going to flip my closure over and get it in there the same way how I did the bundles. And yeah, that's how to create that gradient effect. Just like that, vertically. how the closure came out. Be careful not to get dye on the closure. I did get it on there, but for the most part, it didn't really affect my part. And the ends are dry. I don't know if you guys could see that. But yeah, this is, I think, the 1 or 22 inches. And yeah, the hair is soft, but the ends are dry and looking like, you know, broken off. And I'm going to show you all the bundles, and all of the bundles ends were dry, as you will see in the video how all the bundles came out.
Why did you let go? Tell me, why did you leave me?
And here is the 20 inch, and I don't know if you guys can see the gradient effect at the top from dark to lighter red, and the ends were dry too.
I feel like all of me is gone. I know you're gone when it's raining. It's raining. Why did you let go? Tell me, why did you leave me? I feel like all of
So about the hair, you guys, and what I experienced with the hair. So after dyeing the hair, I noticed that all of the ends were like dry. You can see it in the video. I noticed that all of the ends were dry, and I was like, really, like, oh my gosh. But I don't know if that's because, you know, I left the dye on for a long time. I think I left the dye on for 15 hours. I left it on there for 15 hours, almost a day. But yeah, if I would have left it on there longer, it would have came out brighter, and you know, like, that probably was my fault, but I'm not sure. After I dyed it, the ends did become dry. Now this hair is actually soft, and I did a lot of styles with this hair. I wanted this hair straight, I wanted them curls, I wanted them different type of curls. I curled it with curling wand, I flexi rod it, I straightened it, and it's, you know, still holding up. So I'm like, okay, UNice, this is nice, this is good, this is really good, okay? So yeah, you guys, I have seen a lot of videos on UNice, and I'm like, okay, well, I mean, is it true what they say? You know, I had to experience it for myself. I know my sister have tried it before, but I have never tried it. And me experiencing it for myself, I'm like, oh, this is what's hot and this is what's popping, okay? So if you want to be hot and popping too, then get you some UNice hair. Shedding, yeah, this hair sheds. Yeah, this hair sheds. I don't know if it's shedding more because I dyed it, but it's definitely sheds. Shedding is very, very normal. So I don't want you guys to think that, you know, if you get some hair, if it sheds, it's bad. Shedding is not bad, but excessive shedding is, I don't know, it's kind of bad. But this is not excessive. It's excessive shedding. This is like maybe medium shedding, like medium shedding. Oh, another thing, I did end up mixing the developers. I used 40 volume developer and I used 30 volume developer. I don't know if I didn't put the 30 volume developer in the beginning, but I ended up running out of the 40 volume, and I ended up having to, when I seen like the mixture getting low, I poured like 30 volume, because I knew I had like a lot. I had like 2 bottles of 30 volume developer, but I was like, I didn't really think that I was gonna run out, so that's why. This is where the hair stops on me. It's very, very gorgeous. Oh, and you guys, I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did cut the ends off. Remember I told y'all that it was dry? I cut the dry ends off because dry ends, they look like they split. I just don't get along with them, and I just snip it off. The more developer you use, the more the hair would dye. So make sure you get 2 bottles of developer, 2 bottles of 40 volume developer. And yeah, I hope you guys got some use out of this video. And if you did, then share this video. Share this video everywhere. This is like a DIY because I was just, you know, trying. I was like, oh, I wonder if this is gonna work, so let me try, because it really came out nice. So yeah, I'm really excited. I'm really excited with the outcome. Yeah. So yeah, you guys, definitely leave me some comments down below. How did you feel about it? I mean, if you guys tried it out before, let me know how it works for you, or let me know how it worked for you. Hopefully it worked good, but you know, I don't know, my experience may not be you guys' experience, but this is actually what I did. So yeah, I will see you guys in our next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for supporting us, and I love you guys so much. Bye guys.